When I say imagine a crystal, what would you picture? Would it be something colorful like this? Shiny? Or probably some gems? For my assumption, you all are picturing a hard, shiny, translucent rock in a variety of colors. However, do you guys also know that crystals are salt and sugar? They're also snowflakes. Look at your phone. Your phone even has crystals in them. Today, I will be explaining how crystals are formed and its importance in our environment. So what exactly are crystals? According to ucsbscienceline.edu, crystals are a solid composed of atoms, ions, or molecules arranged in a pattern in a three-dimensional format. This regular arrangement is called a lattice, where molecule units of solids are conjoined consistently to form a large solid substance. Therefore, any substance that has this molecular structure is technically considered a crystal. Crystals are formed through a process called crystallization, in which chemists define as a way to separate and remove a product from all unwanted materials. Crystals are often formed in nature when liquid cools and starts to harden. Certain molecules in the liquid gather together as they attempt to become more stable. In nature, crystals can be formed when liquid rock called magma cools. To check this process of crystallization, I conducted an experiment making my own homemade crystals. To conduct this experiment, you'll need several materials. One major component is borax. Borax is a boron compound, a mineral and a salt of boric acid. You'll also need 2 cups with pipe cleaners attached onto pencils. You'll also need food coloring in a variety of colors, some wooden rods to stir the mixture, and boiling water. The first step is to shape the pipe cleaners into a distinctive form. This will be the foundation where the crystals will form around. Throughout the experiment, borax is placed into a cup of boiling water. The borax is continuously added until the solution is cloudy or when solid particles are floating around. This indicates that no more solids can be dissolved in the water and the solution has become completely saturated. As the hot, saturated mixture of borax and water cooled, there was more borax available than could be contained by the colder water, and so this extra abundance of borax will fall out of the mixture to form crystals. After the food coloring and the borax is mixed together, the pipe cleaner structure is placed into the solution. The solution was left undisturbed for approximately 8 hours. Here are the results. For the blue crystals, I added 7 spoons of borax, and as you can see, this was a success. Clear cube-like structures were formed around the pipe cleaners, indicating that crystals were formed. For the purple crystal, I only added 4 spoons of borax. This was, however, a fail, as no crystals were produced around the pipe cleaners. The chemistry behind crystals is that they have a special kind of solid material where the molecules fit together in a repeating pattern. This pattern causes the material to form all sorts of unique shapes. Many examples of crystals are made through many elemental qualities. For instance, non-metal element crystals are substances like diamonds. The carbon atoms in diamonds are held together in a covalent lattice by network covalent bonding. So, what are the importance of crystals? Crystals are aesthetic rocks that are economically valued and treasured for its beauty and marketable influence. Therefore, it is important to understand its development for the potential to preserve its availability within future generations. Many of our everyday products are formed through the development of crystals. The silicone that computer chips are made out of is a crystal. Many valuable crystals such as diamonds, rubies, and emeralds are manufactured and sold. Quartz crystals are used in watches and other electronics to keep accurate time. Crystals are also used to enhance the body's own healing abilities, reduce stress, and improve the quality of life.